Hey, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're making a corned beef injected with Wagyu beef tallow. It's St. Patrick's Day week. Are you guys ready? Alright guys, so St. Patrick's Day week. Got to get those corned beef recipes down because we want to be giving our family and friends some good food. Alright, so this is my second corned beef of the year. The first one I did a couple weeks ago as a trial run. And it was the first time ever that I was not happy with it. On the barbecue, that is. Alright. Don't know what went wrong. I got some ideas. But I asked the community for some advice, what they thought. And I had a recommendation from Susan at Rhubarb and Cod. She was saying maybe I should use some beef tallow. Well, at first I didn't like the idea because I never had to use it in the past. But this past year, you've been seeing all these videos blow up, the internet blow up with Wagyu beef tallow. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. So went out and I bought some Wagyu beef tallow, which is what I got right here in this Pyrex cup. I'm going to try injecting it. Now, if it turns out good, you all watching this right now. Put it that way. All right. So let's go ahead and try to inject as much as we can into this. Never used this before. Yeah, you can see it just blow up. Oof. It's going all over the board too. That's all right. As long as it goes inside. Wow. I hope this works. This was a select cut. You know, up here in New York, I think getting the better grade meat is a lot harder than if you were down south or out Midwest. I think over there it's easier to obtain better cuts, better grades rather. All right. Wow. You can see it solidifying on top already. The tallow already solidified on top. And if you're wondering what I did beforehand, I did everything the same with washing. I washed it. I let it soak for a little while, just one time for a little while. Try to get that excess salt out because that salt solution comes super heavy. So anyway, the only things I'm changing up today is one, I'm using the tallow, and two, I'm going with this Montreal steak seasoning. You could call me lazy, call me whatever, but looks like there's a lot of the same ingredients that I would probably use on this anyway. So I'm just going to smear this tallow around a little bit. Now we're going to use it as kind of like a binding agent. All right. So all I'm going to do, put a nice coat. All right, so we got the brisket all seasoned up. I used that tallow that popped out, kind of used it as a binder. I rubbed it all over the meat. Now, my hands have a strong beefy smell. This is my first time using that tallow. I heard it has a strong beefy smell, and you know what it does? It kind of smells like beef ribs. All right. So my concern is it going to alter the taste, the flavor of the meat? We'll see. All right, guys, we're cooking at 225, and we're about 124. This is what it's looking like right now. It's nice and moist on the outside, so I'm not going to spritz it. I'm going to wrap it up though, out 160-ish. Alright guys, so it's up at about 160. I'm going to wrap it in some butcher paper. I'm going to take some of this Wagyu tallow. I'm just going to spread a little on the paper. Just a little bit. That's it. It looks nice and moist. I didn't have to spritz this at all. So I'm definitely happy about that. And it smells good. It smells really good. So let me just get to work here and wrap this up. It's super juicy here. Juices all over the place. Holy moly. Wow. Look at that. That's just, whew. That is a lot of juice. I didn't expect that. Alright, let's give this a cut. Wow. Holy moly. This is good. This is really good. One of the best corned beefs I've ever had. It's so tender. I was worried about that beefy flip? Nah. What a great taste too.